The main reason of caste-based reservation in India is to address historical injustice and pervasive social discrimination, particularly the practice of untouchability. It is a form of affirmative action designed to bring marginalized communities, primarily scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and other backward class, into the mainstream by ensuring their representation in education, government jobs, and politics. The eradication of caste-based reservation is a complex issue and with no single solution. Instead, the debate largely revolves around reforms rather than outright abolition. Here are the main perspective and the proposed approaches. Shifting to economic criteria, a prominent proposal is to replace caste-based quotas with reservation based on economic status. And proponents argue it would be ensure benefit reach the most deserving section of the society regardless of caste. Addressing the issues of the creamier, wealthier individual within reserved communities who continue to benefit. And the more comprehensive framework suggests a move to universal dynamic class-based system and that reflect real-time socio-economic realities rather than inherited identity. And some moments like the Reservation Hatao Andolan argue for long-term goals where the government stop requiring or recognizing caste identity in public life. This would mean no one need to declare their caste in government form, education, addition or jobs application. And rather than abolishing reservation, many experts advocate reforms such as conducting a reliable caste census for evidence-based policy making or implementing subcategorization within reserve group to ensure benefits are distributed more equitably. And here any solution must go hand in hand with eliminating the caste system's effectiveness in public life, with part requiring a national census that balancing the constitutional commitment to social justice with the contemporary goal in the economic equality. What is your thought? Please pin my comment section. Thank you so much.